In this video, I will show you how to add chapters to a YouTube video. So make sure to follow along and watch this full video to learn how to add timestamps in your video description, organize your content into sections, and just make it easier for viewers to skip to the part they need. If this video does help you out today, then make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more simple YouTube and tech-based tutorials. Now, there's actually two ways that you can add chapters to your video. The first way is automatically, and the second way is manually. So to do this, if you come up to the top right hand corner of YouTube, click onto your profile picture, and what you want to do is come and click onto YouTube Studio. Once you're in your studio, come over to the left hand side and click onto content. And from here, what you want to do is find the video that you want to add chapters to. So I'm going to take this top video here, and when you hover over this, you're going to see some icons. What you want to do is click onto the pencil icon where it says details, and that's going to take you to your video details page. Now from here, if you actually scroll down on this page and you just want to scroll down a bit, there's going to be an option to set automatic chapters, so you can see the section just down here. All you need to do is tick the box, come up to the top right hand corner, click onto save. Once you've clicked onto save, that's automatically going to add chapters to your YouTube video. Now you can also set this so that every video you upload has automatic chapters. So to do that, if you actually come back to your main YouTube Studio page, what you want to do is come down to the bottom left hand corner and click onto settings. From your settings, click onto upload defaults, and then come up to the top and click onto advanced settings. In here, you're going to see we've got the automatic chapters section. So if you actually tick this, this is going to allow any future videos you upload to automatically have the chapters and key moments put into the video. Now, as mentioned, you can also add your own chapters as well. So you can add your own timestamps to the video manually. And to do that, it's just a couple of guidelines you want to bear in mind. So you need to make sure if you're adding your own video chapters that the first timestamp that you list starts with 00.00. So you would just, of course, put like intro or something like that. And your video should have at least 3 timestamps listed in ascending order. Also, the minimum length for video chapters is 10 seconds. Now, you actually need to add this to your description. So if I actually copy this, I'm going to come back to my video description, the one we used as an example, and you would just simply put this into your video description. So for example, we would start with the 00 chapter here, and I would just call this one intro. And then the next one could be at, say, for example, 30 seconds in. So we'd do something like this, and then give that chapter a name as well. And you can just repeat the process for all the chapters. Again, once that's done, click save at the top, and that's going to manually add chapters to your YouTube video. So that is how to add chapters to YouTube video. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.